Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to GM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, English of Prep Class.
Dear students, पेज नंबर 18 पर देखिए exercise complete the word with the help of two vowels. Two vowels together make one sound. Today we will use these vowel sounds OU, OW, OI, OI, double E, double O. Let's see the pictures one by one. Picture number 1 देखिए shoe. What is this? Yes, this is a shoe. The word is boot. The word is boot. So we use double O, B double O T, boot. Say with me, boot. Picture number 2 में देखिए house. Children, look at this picture. This is a house. The word is house. House, house. So we use OU. HOUSE, house. Say with me, house. Picture number 3 में देखिए what is this place? The word is ground. 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 We use OU. Say with me, ground. Picture number 4 में देखिए this is a coin. The word is coin. 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 We use OI. Say together, coin. Picture number 5 में देखिए toy. What is this? Yes, a toy. The word is toy. 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 We use OY. Say it again, toy. Picture number 6, clown. Children, look at the funny man. He is a clown. The word is clown. CLOWN. Dear students, picture number 7 में देखिए. What is this? Yes, a bee. B double E. Bee. We use double E. Say together, bee. Picture number 8 में देखिए boy. Look at this child. He is a boy. The word is boy. BOY, boy. We use OY. Say loudly, boy. Picture number 19 पर देखिए. What is this? This is a cow. The word is cow. COW, cow. We use OW. Say it again, cow. Very good, children. You learned two vowel sounds today. Always look at the picture, think, and then fill in the blanks. Bye bye. See you in the next class.